Onions are common ingredients in many human foods, from soups and stews to salads and sandwiches. However, onions can be toxic to dogs and cause serious health problems. Onions belong to the Allium family, which also includes garlic, leeks and chives. These plants contain compounds that can be toxic to dogs, cats and even some livestock animals. The compounds responsible for the toxicity are called organosulfur compounds, which can damage red blood cells and lead to anaemia. The amount of onion that's toxic for dogs depends on their weight and the concentration of the compounds. However, as little as 5 grams of onion per kilogram of body weight can be toxic to dogs. Symptoms of onion toxicity can appear within a few hours to a few days after consumption and can include vomiting, diarrhea, lethargy and pale gums. If you suspect your dog has eaten onions, it's essential to seek veterinary attention immediately. Your vet may induce vomiting or administer activated charcoal to help absorb the toxins. In severe cases, blood transfusions may be required. The best way to prevent onion toxicity in dogs is to keep all onion-containing foods out of reach. This includes onion rings, French onion soup, onion dip, and other foods that contain onions as an ingredient. Additionally, it's essential to be aware of other allium plants such as garlics and leeks and keep them away from your dog. If you want to give your dog a treat, there are many safe and healthy alternatives to onions. Dogs can enjoy fruits such as bananas, apples, blueberries or vegetables such as carrots and green beans and sweet potatoes. Always be sure to research any foods before giving them to your dog to ensure that they are safe and healthy.